Did you know that your gut holds the key to your overall health? From digestion to immunity, even your mood depends on it. A healthy gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that keep your body running smoothly. But when your gut is out of balance, you may start experiencing issues like bloating, fatigue, brain fog, and even skin problems. The good news? You can start repairing your gut naturally with the right foods. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a crucial role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and protecting your body from harmful invaders. When your gut is healthy, digestion runs smoothly, your immune system stays strong, and even your mood can improve. However, when the balance of good and bad bacteria is disrupted, problems begin to arise. Gut damage can occur for many reasons, including a poor diet high in processed foods, chronic stress, frequent antibiotic use, and exposure to toxins. These factors can wipe out beneficial bacteria, leading to gut inflammation, digestive issues, and even a condition known as leaky gut, where harmful substances leak into your bloodstream and trigger widespread inflammation. The good news is that your gut has the ability to heal itself if you give it the right support. And one of the most effective ways to restore gut balance is through the foods you eat. By incorporating gut-healing foods into your daily routine, you can nourish your microbiome, repair the gut lining, and improve overall health from the inside out. When it comes to repairing your gut, food is one of the most powerful tools you can use. The right foods help replenish good bacteria, heal the gut lining, and reduce inflammation. Let's dive into the 8 best gut-healing foods and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Fermented foods are a great natural source of probiotics, which are good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. These friendly bacteria make digestion easier by breaking down food, reducing bloating, constipation, and other stomach problems. Probiotics also help your immune system by stopping bad bacteria from growing in your gut. This lowers the risk of infections and inflammation. A healthy gut also helps your body absorb important vitamins and minerals better. Adding fermented foods to your diet is easy and tasty. Eating a small amount of kimchi or sauerkraut with meals can give you a steady supply of probiotics. Drinking kefir in the morning is a great way to support gut health. Yogurt is another good option and can be eaten as a snack or added to smoothies. By eating these foods regularly, you can improve digestion, boost immunity, and stay healthy. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Bone broth is full of important nutrients like collagen, gelatin, and amino acids such as glutamine. These help repair and protect your gut lining, making bone broth especially helpful for people with digestive problems like leaky gut syndrome. The gelatin in bone broth also supports good gut bacteria and helps with digestion. Bone broth contains important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are good for digestion and overall health. It is easy to add to your diet. Drinking a warm cup in the morning or evening can be soothing and nourishing. You can also use it in soups, stews, and sauces to add flavor and nutrition. By drinking bone broth regularly, you can help heal your gut, improve digestion, and stay healthy. Chia seeds and flax seeds are packed with nutrients and are great for digestion. They are rich in soluble fiber, which helps feed good gut bacteria and keeps your gut healthy. When mixed with liquid, these seeds form a gel-like texture that softens stool and helps prevent constipation. Both seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce gut inflammation and support digestion. It's easy to add them to your diet. Just mix a tablespoon into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for extra fiber. By eating these small but powerful seeds regularly, you can improve digestion, absorb nutrients better, and keep your gut healthy. Ginger is a powerful root that helps with digestion and reduces inflammation. It relaxes the stomach, eases bloating, and makes digestion smoother. Ginger also boosts digestive enzymes, helping your body absorb nutrients better and break down food more easily. One of ginger's best benefits is relieving nausea. It can help with motion sickness, morning sickness, and general stomach discomfort. Adding ginger to your diet is simple. You can make a soothing tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. By eating ginger regularly, you can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and feel healthier overall. Bananas, especially green ones, are rich in resistant starch, a special type of fiber that feeds good gut bacteria and keeps your microbiome balanced. Unlike regular fiber, resistant starch doesn't digest in the small intestine, but instead ferments in the colon, helping reduce inflammation and support digestion. Bananas also help with nutrient absorption and keep bowel movements regular. They are gentle on the stomach, making them a great choice for people with digestive issues. To get the most benefits, eat a green banana as a snack, add slices to oatmeal, or blend it into a smoothie. Including bananas in your diet regularly can improve digestion, support gut health, and help you feel your best. Garlic and onions are natural antibiotics that help eliminate harmful bacteria while feeding beneficial gut microbes. They contain prebiotic compounds like inulin and fructooligosaccharides, which promote a healthy microbiome. Use raw garlic in salad dressings or lightly cook it in meals for maximum benefits. Onions can be added to stir-fries, soups, and salads for a natural gut boost. Papaya is loaded with digestive enzymes, particularly papain, which helps break down proteins and support digestion. It also contains fiber and antioxidants that promote gut healing and reduce inflammation. Eat fresh papaya on its own, add it to fruit salads, or blend it into a smoothie for a refreshing gut-friendly treat. Dark leafy greens are packed with fiber, polyphenols, and essential nutrients that nourish your gut bacteria and promote overall digestive health. They also help reduce inflammation and provide a rich source of magnesium, which aids in digestion. Steam leafy greens and add them to meals, toss them into salads, or blend them into a green juice or smoothie for a quick gut healing boost. Your gut is the foundation of your overall health. When your gut is balanced and thriving, you'll experience better digestion, more energy, a stronger immune system, and even improved mental clarity. The key is consistency. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you'll start feeling lighter, more energized, and healthier from the inside out. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these gut-healing foods do you already eat? And which ones are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more gut-friendly tips. See you in the next video.